Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about how to use shields on Monopoly Go. All you have to do is open your Monopoly Go app, and here you'll be able to see that on your Monopoly board, there are some shields that are colored orange that you are actually be able to collect and use if in case someone will be shutting down or toppling down your buildings. So, for example, if someone or your friend does this to you or to your town, if you hit one of the buildings, if you do have shields on your account, you will actually be able to protect your buildings to be destroyed from your friends or from other Monopoly Go users. So basically, the more shields you collect into your Monopoly account, you will be able to prevent higher damage or destruction into your Monopoly Go account. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use Shield. That's basically your protection in case someone will be shutting down your buildings on one of your towns. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.